Spend the day with me feeling like a Swan Lake Princess. I'm so excited to share this video with you. Today I'm going to share some tips for how to feel like a beautiful Swan Lake Princess. We're going to make some cupcakes, some madeleine cakes. We're going to decorate our home inspired by the Swan Lake Ballet. We're going to decorate our Christmas tree, create a beautiful ballerina inspired look, decorate our vanity, wear a beautiful Swan Lake inspired crown, do some shopping. I just love to wake up in this beautiful Swan Lake inspired bedding. The first thing that I love to do when I wake up is to have a relaxing bath and listen to the Swan Lake music. I just love to have a bath. It's so relaxing and so calming. I love to add some beautiful flowers to my bath, light some candles, and listen to the Swan Lake music all day long. I just love how relaxing it is, especially in this stressful Christmas time. It's so nice to just relax and to just enjoy the moment while having a bath. I also love to have a delicious cup of tea with a delicious treat while I'm having my bath. It's so relaxing and so calming, and I just love it so much. So we're going to decorate our home for the Christmas holiday season. This year I'm going for a Ballerina Swan Lake Ballet inspired theme. And I just love to decorate our home for the Christmas holiday season. Everything always looks so beautiful and so magical. I added these beautiful swans to our home. They really remind me of the Swan Lake Ballet, and they're the perfect decorations for our home this year. I just love to make myself a delicious cup of tea. I just love to have a delicious cup of tea in my favorite little vintage teacup. It's always so relaxing to just have some time out of the day and to just enjoy a cup of tea. I love to have some delicious treats with my tea, like some macaroons, and I also made pretty little cake, which turned out really adorable as well. And I just love to have some treats with my tea. Today we're going to make some madeleine cakes inspired by the Swan Lake Ballet. The first thing that I did was to melt my buttercream. I like to melt my buttercream in the microwave for around 2 minutes until it's all melted. Then I added it to a bowl. Then I got some delicious madeleine cakes. You can make some yourself, or you can get some from your local supermarket. And then you just dip them into the buttercream. I like to dip half of them. And yeah, it's such a lovely treat. They're so delicious. And I just love making these. So now we're going to decorate our madeleine cakes. I added a beautiful fondant rose. I made these myself using a rose mold. I will link the mold down below that I've used. And I love how these roses turn out, and I added it to the little cakes, and they really remind me of the Swan Lake Ballet. I just love them so much. They look so adorable. Now we're going to make some Swan Lake inspired cupcakes. I just love how these cakes turn out. They are so pretty. You just get a little cupcake, then you add some buttercream. I like to add some pink buttercream on them. You just add a little swirl of buttercream. Then you add a little piece of fondant, and then you add your pretty swan. I also added a beautiful little rose, fondant rose, to these little cakes, and I just love how it turned out. They look so adorable, and they really remind me of the Swan Lake Ballet. Now we're going to make another cupcake. Yeah, you just get your cupcake, add a little swirl of buttercream, then you add a little fondant piece, and then you add your little swan and a pretty fondant rose. I just love how these little cakes turn out. They look so pretty and so adorable, and they are the perfect little treat for the Christmas holiday season. So these are our Swan Lake inspired cupcakes. I just love how they turn out. They look so beautiful, and they're such a lovely little treat. I just love making them, and they turn out so pretty. These cakes are very fun to make. I make them for Christmas, but you can also make them for a children's birthday party, or even for a bridal shower, or for a wedding. They're such a lovely little treat, and I just love how they turn out. So we're going to have a Swan Lake inspired high tea. I just love to have a little high tea, especially in the Christmas holiday season. And this year I really wanted to have a Swan Lake inspired high tea. So we decorated our table. I added some pretty swans. I added this little folks cake that I've made. And I added, of course, our delicious swan cupcakes, which turned out so adorable and so pretty. And then I added some beautiful pink roses. I just love to add some pink roses to our home. It looks so beautiful, and yeah, I just love how it turned out. And it goes so well with my Swan Lake inspired theme as well. These are our little Swan Lake inspired cupcakes. They're so pretty. I just love how they turn out. Our little madeleine cakes, which I really love. Some pretty pink flowers. I also added this beautiful castle. I will link the shop down below. It's so gorgeous. And my little swan. I also made these little cakes from fondant. I really love how it turned out. It looks so pretty. And yeah, I just love to have all of these delicious treats on our table and to really indulge myself with all of these delicious treats just for the Christmas holiday season. Our pretty Swan Lake cupcakes. I just love how these turn out. Such a lovely treat. I will link the little swans down below. Our little pink cake. Little swan. Beautiful castle. This castle goes so well with my Christmas decorations this year, and I just love it so much. It's so beautiful. Our little cupcakes. I just love how these cakes turn out. They really remind me of the Swan Lake Ballet. And some beautiful pink roses. So we're going to decorate our home inspired by the Swan Lake Ballet for the Christmas holiday season. This is our Christmas tree. I just love how it turned out. It looks so pretty. I love all the pretty pink colors. And this is our dining table, which is also inspired by the Swan Lake Ballet. I think everything looks so beautiful and so ethereal. And I love all the soft colors and pink colors. So today we're going to create a ballerina inspired bun inspired by the Swan Lake Ballet. I just love to wear this little hairstyle. It's the perfect hairstyle for the Christmas holiday season. The first thing that I did was just to make a little ponytail. Then I just twist my hair around to create a little bun. Then I make sure that it's all good secured. Then I add some bobby pins to tie it all together. I just love this little hairstyle. It's the perfect little hairstyle for the Christmas holiday season, especially if you don't have, like me, have any time to wash your hair. You don't really have to wash your hair for this hairstyle. You just tie it all together and create a beautiful little bun. And I just love how classy and elegant it looks, and I really feel like a ballerina princess wearing this beautiful hairstyle. I just love to wear my hair in a pretty ballerina bun. I just love how it looks. So we're going to dress up like a ballerina princess. I found this beautiful white bodysuit. I found it from New Look. I will link it down below. Then I added a pretty white tutu skirt. Also added a beautiful piece. Floral piece. I got the floral piece from Etsy and I just love how it looks. It looks so beautiful, and this look really reminds me of a ballerina inspired outfit. I just love it so much, and yeah, it's just look gorgeous, and I really feel like a ballerina wearing this beautiful look. Now we're going to create a Swan Lake inspired vanity. I created this beautiful vanity inspired by the Swan Lake Ballet. I added a pretty little swan, then a little trinket box, beautiful swan crown, my little Christmas angel. I just love how this Christmas angel looks. She looks so ethereal. My little swan princess with her little crown. I love to use this little trinket box for all my hair ties and bobby pins. It's so handy and it looks so pretty as well. Our little Swan Lake crown, which I really love. I have my little vintage perfume bottle. I just love how this vanity turned out. It really reminds me of the Swan Lake Ballet. Add a beautiful crown to your hair and feel like a ballerina princess. I found this gorgeous little crown and I thought it would be perfect to wear in my hair. It looks so pretty and it has two little swans as well. I just get the little crown and I just add it to my hair like this. I just love to wear a crown in my hair, and this look really reminded me of a ballerina princess or even like the sugar plum fairy. I think it looks just so pretty and I just love it so much. I truly feel like a ballerina princess wearing this crown. Later in this video, I will share with you where I found it, and yeah, I just love it so much. It's so beautiful. So we're going to do some shopping and look for some beautiful treasures. I found these gorgeous Yankee candles. This one is a new one. I haven't seen it before. It's called Snowflake Kisses. and I love it so much. It smells just like Christmas as well. This beautiful blossom tree, some gorgeous dresses that really reminded me of the Swan Lake. I found this adorable crown from the monsoon. Such a beautiful accessories and such a beautiful pieces. I just love to shop at Monsoon. It's such a beautiful shop, and yeah, I'm always so inspired by this gorgeous shop. I found these beautiful heels and some Uggs, which I really love. I love this little pink slipper Uggs. And then I had a little hot chocolate break from Hotel Chocolate, which has the most delicious chocolate. This is a little haul from everything that I picked up on my shopping trip. This is actually all from Primark. Now we're going to bed and dream of being a beautiful ballerina princess. I decorate our nightstand inspired by the Swan Lake Ballet as well. So this was my video for how to spend today feeling like a Swan Lake princess. I truly hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. Thank you so much. Bye!